Welcome to the Snail Heater RGB product introduction video on the Alio channel. In this episode, we will showcase the brand new 7-in-1 functions of the Snail Heater RGB product features. Cool integrated functions include soldering iron, hot air gun, heating plate, adjustable power supply, signal generator, spot welder, and custom functions, lock screen wallpaper, background, image. The following are the specific parameters. Next, I'll demonstrate the first function, the soldering iron. Access the soldering iron menu via the dial menu, or simply by picking up the soldering iron handle. Within the menu, you can set 3 preset temperatures along with the current temperature, and the soldering iron will quickly reach the target temperature. The second core function is the hot air gun. Access the hot air gun menu via the dial menu, or by simply picking up the hot air gun. Similarly, you can set 3 preset temperatures and the target temperature within the menu, and the hot air gun will quickly reach the desired temperature. Next up is the adjustable power supply. Most mobile phone repair technicians need to equip an additional adjustable power supply for repairs. But the Snail Heater RGB integrates this function as standard, significantly reducing extra costs and enhancing usability. In the next episode, we'll bring you the introductions to the Snail Heater RGB's remaining core functions: heating plate, signal generator, spot welder, and custom features. Thank you for watching.